Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some juicy details on the upcoming OnePlus Watch 2. You know, the buzz has been circulating for a while now, and thanks to the watchful eyes over at OnLeaks, we've got our hands on the first set of renders and specs. Let's dive right into it. So, the OnePlus Watch 2 is making waves with rumors, suggesting it's slated for a 2024 launch. Keeping in line with the gossip mill, it looks like the second-gen smartwatch is holding onto that classic circular dial. And boy, do the renders spill the tea. A sleek metal casing, 2 buttons on the sides, a speaker grill for Bluetooth calling, and a chic rubber strap in black and white. But that's not all, fam! It comes with a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen, a slight bump up from the 1.39-inch on the previous model. And under the hood, powering this sleek gadget is none other than the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset, promising a performance that's as smooth as butter and ultra-responsive. OnePlus is pulling out all the stops to make sure this smartwatch is a true powerhouse. But wait, there's more. The OnePlus Watch 2 isn't just a pretty face. Essential sensors are snugly tucked under that vibrant display, ensuring you get all the health tracking goodness you need, although more about this in the upcoming videos. Shout out to Max Jambor for the intel. When this bad boy drops, it's rocking Wear OS 4. Say goodbye to the custom OS woes. OnePlus is switching gears. Now, let's talk features. Expect those sweet IP ratings and GPS, perfect for all you fitness fanatics out there. The only thing that's playing hard to get? Battery deets. We're still in the dark on that one. Will it be a powerhouse or a quick sizzler? Only time will tell. And here's the plot twist. Will the OnePlus Watch 2 be the opening act for the OnePlus 12, OnePlus 12R, and the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 next year? The crystal ball is a bit foggy on that. That's the scoop on the OnePlus Watch 2. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for all the tech goodness coming your way, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay plugged in.